In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace or install a refrigerator water filter easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot, thank you. So you woke up today and started getting water from the refrigerator, or you started preparing a drink, poured some ice from the fridge, and you're noticing something's off. You keep saying to yourself, something tastes different, but you can't put your finger on it. But one thing you know is that water is supposed to be clear. Don't worry, now that you tasted thrown water, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. So either if you're replacing a filter for the first time or replacing the old one, the technique is the same. Depending on your refrigerator or filter manufacturer, it should be changed a minimum of every 3 months, some every 6 months, and in some specialized filters up to a year. So verifying your barbecue paper, your owner's manual, for that information is the way to go. Or you can always Google it. If you want to check out our video on how to install a water line for the refrigerator, we'll leave a link on the description as well. The first thing that you're gonna need, other than yourself, is a new filter. And to know which filter your refrigerator needs, you can either take out the old filter out and use it as reference to buy the new one, or you can find this information on the interwebs by using the model number and make of your particular refrigerator. To find that information, you're gonna notice a sticker inside the refrigerator with all this information. Now, depending on your particular box of iron or plastic is the location where your filter is going to be located at. In some cases, just like this one, it's located at the bottom of the fridge on the left side. In some, it has a door or a turning mechanism. In some filters, you have to twist off to remove and twist on to place. In some, you have to pull down to access. In some cases, is located inside the fridge, either in the door, either on a filter holder apparatus, or behind the shelves, or inside in the refrigerator in the back. No matter where your particular filter is located at, the technique is the same. In this particular refrigerator, we have a door. We have a pull tab that we pull outward, and the first thing that we're gonna see is the installation direction arrows. Not every refrigerator is gonna have these markings, but usually most filters can be installed only one way. But to double confirm this, we're gonna take out the filter slowly so we can verify what markings on the filter go to what side and which go to the other side. And like that, following the same direction, we go ahead and install the new one. Now that we have the correct direction, in this particular model, we're gonna push in. As we push, the door is going to come closed. In some filters, once you install it and push it in, then you twist to lock in. If in your particular filter there is no marking on the side, then we want to verify the filter connection to verify if there's a right and wrong way to install. We basically want to follow the same way the old one was installed. If you notice the connections and the filter itself, everything is rounded off and it doesn't have a particular way to go in, it means that you can basically install it either way. Once the filter is placed, we can go ahead and close the door. If you have a twist off cap, you can go ahead and place it back at this time. Now comes the most important part of the whole video, and that is letting the filter run for a minimum of 2 minutes to 5 minutes, or depending on your particular filter's manufacturer's instructions. And we do that to release any manufacturing debris, or in carbon-based filters, to release any carbon particles on the filter. Because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day after installing a new filter is to die because of the filter. Always disregarding the first ices that your refrigerator produces after a filter change is always a good practice. Now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Now you've become a refrigerator master in your own time. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.